online shoppers, have you ever seen a flocked Christmas tree? Well, I ordered my very first flocked Christmas tree. I'm so excited to get it out of the box, to put it up. It's gonna look like winter wonderland has arrived at my house. I'm excited. Look at that. It looks like it snowed. Let's take this out of the box and put it together. Here is the base. It's already snowing. This is the middle section, and this is the top section. Instruction manual, and this here is the base for the Christmas tree. It folds flat, but it will open up with a bolt and stay sturdy. So 3 screws are going to hold the base open, just like this. We have to open it up, line them up, insert the screws, and just turn them loosely. Now, you don't want to put them in all the way because they will interfere with the base of the tree going into the stand. There we go, nice and sturdy. They all come with an end cap too, so you have to take that off or it won't fit into the base. This is protecting it so it doesn't get all bent. Number 1. There we go. There's 1. It's definitely snowing. Now I'm definitely gonna have to do some cleanup after I'm done opening the tree. That's pretty. And now to fluff. And yes, I am snowy. Winter Wonderland has definitely come to my house, and this tree is hands down one of the most gorgeous trees I've ever seen, but it does come at a cost. I am pretty snowy. All told, it took me about 20 minutes to fluff this gorgeous flocked tree from head to toe. And the assembly was super easy. There are 350 warm white mini lights on here, and this really pretty fake snow makes it literally look like I pulled it in from outside after a snowstorm. From somebody who's grown up in Northern Ontario, this is a very realistic looking wintry Christmas tree with lights on it, and this would be just as much at home in my front yard on a Christmas evening as it would be in my living room, except the snow's not going to melt. This is gorgeous. I'm so happy with the quality. Yes, it does shed a lot when you fluff it out, but after you vacuumed it, as long as nobody's messing with it, you're not going to have white stuff all over your house. It does stay put, and a vacuum has no problem picking this up. I am going to take a step and go vacuum myself, but if you are looking for a gorgeous Christmas tree to really bring the wintry wonderland feeling to your house, this flocked Christmas tree by Yaheetech is awesome and definitely a family favorite at my house.